Well, I guess I have to get ready. Wait, where's my other earring? I don't feel it in my ear. Oh no. My mom's gonna get mad. These were expensive. Okay, I found it. Call Alex, see what he's doing. Come on, pick up. Huh? Oh. Oh. I think someone's calling me. Oh, it's Lauren. Hey, you. Nothing. I just woke up. You? Oh, well, I guess that's nice to know. I guess. Alright, well, I just wanted to see what you're doing. Alright, bye. Alright, well, breakfast is ready. Gotta go to Lauren. Hey, don't think about going back to bed, Missy. Get up. Breakfast is ready. And I have to talk to you down there. Oh, fine. Come on, Lauren. Coming, Mom. So what do you want to talk about? The boy. Who is that boy you've been talking to? You never tell me any of these kind of things. Mom, oh my dog. He's just a friend. I'm not hungry. Lauren, don't be a brat. Come back. Lauren, come back. I need to talk to you. I'm your mother. Mom, you're being so mean to me. You're acting like he's just a nobody. Like he's a stranger in my life. What? Honey, I just want to know who he is. Tell me. I told you, Mom, he's just a friend. Oh, don't give me that. I've seen you guys kiss. Okay, that's it. I'm going to my room, Mom. I'm not hungry, and I'm not going to be down for breakfast. And don't call me back down. Lauren, you can't act like that. I swear, teenagers these days. Ugh. I swear, my mom's being overprotective. Like, he's just a friend. Oh, there's nothing to watch on TV. Oh, I got a text message. Oh, Lauren. She said, "Is it okay if you sneak in my house through my window?" Duh, I'd like to see her any day. Dad, I gotta go to my friend's house, bye. Oh man, why is her house so tall? Whoa. Oh man. Whoa! Ow. Oh, my paw. Oh, hey Lauren. Oh, my paw really hurts. Are you okay, Alex? Yeah, I'm okay. So, how are you doing? Oh, I'm doing great actually. But the downfall of my day was my mom asking who you were. She said she saw us like kissing or whatever. Well, I mean, we have done that a couple of times, but I mean, yeah, my dad was about to ask me that when I was leaving my house, but you know, I ran out the door because I wanted to see you and I missed you. That's so sweet, Alex. Well, you know, A friend. Gots to miss another one, right? Yeah, friends. We're not friends? I thought, what did I do wrong? I didn't mean like that. I meant something else, like more than friends. Oh. So, what you doing? Nothing, just looking up stuff online. What do you want to do? Want to watch Netflix? Of course, yeah. Okay, let's watch it on my TV though. Come on. I need to move some of this stuff from in here so we could sit down. Wow, my room's gonna be a mess after this. Alright, I'll just put it in a bin or something. Come on. Alright. Oh, I hate stuffies. Lauren. Lauren, wake up. I'm gonna finish watching the season. Okay, on second thought, maybe I should clean up these stupid, ugly stuffies for her. How does this work? There you go. Maybe all these won't fit, but we'll try. Alright, gotta take this ugly thing somewhere else. I'm fully disgusted now.